And if the size of the economy is $5-6 trillion, 25% of that actually could be $1 trillion opportunity.
Absolutely.
So if you're looking at from your vantage point, you are clearly endorsing that the next $1 trillion theme for India could be the manufacturing sector.
And I'll add to that. This is the macro part on it being a $1 trillion opportunity. But there are very few companies of size in manufacturing. You know, you can count on fingers the number of companies that do more than 1,000 crore profit in manufacturing. Yeah. So there will be many companies that will go from being a somewhere between 50 and 200 crore kind of profit company to a 1,000, 2,000 crore profit company. And that is where the happy hunting ground for people like me is, that we can actually find companies that scale up in a big way. So we were talking about Vari. Vari did 70 crore profit last year, is going to do 400 crore profit this year, and they are slated to achieve 2,000 crore over the next 3-4 year period. So that will put them in an elite league of, you know, top 200 companies in India. So that is what we are looking for in our scale framework.
Companies actually have a PAT of 2,000 crores.
Absolutely.
Just that we don't look at these numbers.
Yes.
Minus IT, consumption and banks, very few companies actually even have a record of a profit of 2,000 crores sustainable.
Yes, sustainable. Yes, that's the key word over here as well. And see, the companies evolve. It is not like they will remain a solar module manufacturer. They'll get into backward integration. They will get into adjacencies. So one-time cash flows also lead to more optionalities being opened up. They can put that money to good use to build that moat around themselves, or to cross that chasm and go to the next level of growth.
Can I say, just like TMT changed the face of India in 2000, telecom, media and technology, or technology, media, telecom, whichever way we want to look at it. Then we saw the huge comeback, let's say, in the entire NBFC space. Then there was a large theme which was chemicals. Manufacturing, it'd be a large theme according to you for next couple of years. So my question is that, why did you not showcase the obvious names? Why did you showcase Keynes? We're not getting into stock specific technology, but is there a specific theme within you, like within manufacturing?
No, so we believe these are all chemicals is actually a part of the manufacturing theme only. However, we believe that chemical has run its first set of course. I mean, the valuations have gone through the roof, and we wanted to showcase companies that are still at the beginning of the trend. We wanted to show how things look when the things are actually starting and how they end up being. Most of the chemical companies 7 years back, you know, they were quoting at single-digit multiple. Today, all of them are quoting at 30-40 multiple. Even commodity chemical companies are getting 15-20 multiples. So it's a trend that is well recognized. For me, the arbitrage is to recognizing these trends way before anybody else does and betting on it and riding the trend. So that was the idea behind getting some of these unknown names to
you saved the best for the last. Wow, Momo.
No, so again, consumer, as I mentioned, the J consumption curve that we are going to witness is crazy. See, all our quick service restaurant chains in India are all MNCs. There are very few which are homegrown. The MNCs QSR chain have a big royalty to pay to their parents. These guys don't have to. And if there is an Indian entrepreneur who has cracked that, in fact, and he has a global ambition, he does not restrict his ambition to India. In fact, he wants to take the momos and Indian Chinese to the world. So I believe there is a chance that he might do it.
What about the moat? I mean, I went to Missouri 3 months ago, and every second corner had one momo wala.
No, absolutely. But the kind of scale that he will achieve, the kind of, see, health is a conscious choice for most of the Indians now. You obviously want to eat, and I'm not suggesting for a moment that this is healthy, but it is hygienic, what I'm talking about. And people will choose the hygienic option if it is available to them. And